everybody, today I've got an unboxing video for you. Now, the story behind this, there's a guy called Josh here on YouTube. His channel is called MightyPredaking, and recently he did a video about stopping the scalpers, and this, what he sent me here, he'd actually bought 3 of, and he was appealing to anybody on YouTube who wanted to buy them at the retail price and not at the scalpers price. Now, this has come all the way from the United States. It's an American exclusive, and to be fair, in this country it was going to cost me double what it cost to get it through Josh. So Josh, mate, I really do owe you one. So without further ado, let's get this box open. My trusty blade. Yeah, this box is huge. Oh wow, that's a packing material. There's a bubble wrap there. Just get rid of the box. So this is what he sent me, and this is just awesome. Can you tell what it is yet? Oh, look at that. Josh, mate, this is just unbelievable. Look at that bad boy. Josh, mate, seriously, what you've done there, that's just so fantastic. There's no way I'd have managed to pick this one up for what you sold it me, this one. This is just... I'm lost for words, mate. So yeah, I will do a review on this guy when I get him open and get used to him a bit. But for now, just wanted to say thanks, mate. I really do appreciate it, and if I can ever return the favour, just give me a shout. So this has been Luke with Masterpiece Thundercracker. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.